Hey everyone, so LinkedIn just announced creator mode on LinkedIn mobile app. So I just want to share with you how to enable it. It's not still available for my account, so I'll just show it from this tutorial. So basically you just need to go to your profile tab on LinkedIn mobile app, and then you should find something like creator mode off in your dashboard. And then you just need to tap on that, and then you can see a screen like this. So you can see all the advantages of the creator mode on LinkedIn. Then just tap next. Add 5 topics hashtags which indicate the topics you post about the most, and click save. And then creator mode has been turned on. And then just follow the prompts with the next steps and then exit the flow. And yep, so you can always edit your topic settings or turn off creator mode in LinkedIn by clicking creator mode on in your dashboard. So there you have it. So why do you need creator mode? So basically it will boost your LinkedIn profile. So there is no way to monetize creator profiles on LinkedIn like you can think of YouTube, but I think it's one of the ways to get more visibility on LinkedIn. So you can grow your following. With creator mode, your primary profile action updates from connects to follow, helping you to grow your audience. You can establish your voice. Your original post will be highlighted front and center, helping you establish more visibility. Creator mode will make members eligible for search and discovery results downstream, helping creators get discovered and growing their audience. So that's kind of huge actually. If you care about your LinkedIn, that's massive changes, because LinkedIn is, I think, is one of the fastest growing social media channels recently. It can be compared with TikTok or maybe even Clubhouse. So in recent years, I think LinkedIn really updated the algorithm, and some of my friends who really know how to use it are getting like massive exposure, a lot of attention and a lot of clicks and views, impressions from LinkedIn. So definitely jump on this opportunity and enable this creator mode on LinkedIn. It's free, you don't need to have anything, but this feature is rolling out during months for all profiles. So maybe it's just not available for your profile yet, but check out later. So there you have it, that's the feature. So hope you enjoyed this quick overview. Please like this video so more people can see this new feature, and consider subscribing to my channel. I always share with you some cool tips like this. Also, you can donate or buy me a coffee via the link in description or via on my website mrhack.io. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next videos.